Hello guys, this gift card and crypto exchange app I'm about to show you is the new deal in town. It has been tested and they pay fast, guys. I got paid in minutes, and of course it is reliable. They are all over the internet, they are all over social media. You can search for it on Instagram or Twitter. It trends the other time on Twitter, and when they did their press release as well, it was on most of these news outlets because I've been following them for a while now. As you can see, this is Bada. So Bada is reliable. Like I said, I've been following their updates for a while now because I need the app. I still struggle to sell my gift cards due to limited options. And with Bada now fully operating in the market, that's added to my options. You understand? So I need the app.
Why are thousands of people switching to Bada? Let me show you why.
If you have been struggling like me too, you still look for where to sell your gift cards and crypto, just download Bada and sign up for an account. If you want to sell your crypto and gift cards and get paid in minutes, guys, get paid fast, this is your go-to app. All you need to do is download the app on your App Store or Google Play Store and sign up for an account. And you have to complete your KYC before you start trading your gift card and crypto store. You can also search for their page on YouTube to watch the sign up and verification video, and they have good rates. When you sell your gift card, you get paid directly to your bank account. You get paid in Naira, you get paid straight to your bank account. So that's it about this video, guys. Don't forget to like and click that subscribe button now to stay tuned. Thank you.